Damn right I do.
I don't know what fucking corners they started in.
Right.
Get the sniping, boys.
Love to. Right in front of you to your right, Tony. Keep an eye. That was a hit.
There's no way they fucking started.
No, I saw that. That was a hit. They didn't call that.
You know what that R did straight on my 12?
Kill him. It's not ours.
I got him. He's down. Hit!
Hey, watch right.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, he's hit. Okay.
I can shoot 200 feet with my new flat.
Good. Right in front of us where that pink ribbon is.
Where? Point.
You're 12. About 100 feet. Straight in.
Down? I see him. Oh yeah.
Good. I shot him in the head earlier. Didn't call it.
I was kind of curving up there. Okay.
One down.
Good. Anything in front of us?
I'm gonna have to go pistol on this. It's way too close.
Thing I can move up with?
Nope, me. Okay, move up.
That was a hit.
We can tell him the pink one though. Hang on. Confirming orange is the cutoff. The new boundary is the orange paint. There's a bomb in the boat? Yes. White boat closest to us.
Got him.
Nice fucking shot, Andrew.
Took a few, but I got him.
There's a lot of confusion. We should have done one ball.
Got him. There's nothing there.
Are those enemies top right?
I don't see anything from this angle. Several refs. Those are refs, sir. That's our guy too.
There's a guy down there, Andrew, right from me.
It's a lot of brush.
I got Andrew. Am I hitting something?
You're hitting something, I don't know what. Oh, I got eyes on one.
Yeah. I think I got him.
No, he's moving, he's moving.
Should I move up? I think
Yeah.
I got him. What?
I see him. Behind the boat. Oh, no, that's ours.
Stuck with one. I have to kill this guy. Hey guy! One of the bombs is in the single boat, and one is at the top of the hill. There's a bomb in the boat.
Bomb in the boat! Go!
Huh? There's a guy down on the bushes.
Watch my back, please.
Oh, I see him.
Right.
What do you got? There's a white ribbon. It's fucking card.
It's orange over here.
But it's got a great headshot.
Yeah? Nice.
It was the guy with the back plate. Oh shit.
Sniper, Dustin.
Is it Dustin?
That or Tanner, one or the other.
Nathan.
Name's Copper if you want.
You see
I just nailed Dustin.
Oh, hit! Nice shot!
Nice kill!
You nailed Dustin?
Yeah, I hit him right in the chest at like literally 100 feet running at us.
Tell him afterwards. He said sometimes his jacket's gay, but if you heard it...
No, he called it.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, it was just a good shot.